wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. So the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Three big band that come from Buckley Youth to sing about the wheels and the bus go round and round people. Make me see what I go and put that something to blood click, cause it's a drama already.
Reaction.
Alright, hit it.
R.I.P. Brad, Rebel, Lion, all the fallen soldiers. Reaction boss, missing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boss! And we're back in time with another video for you guys. Right now we're back on the Tyrek reaction of people. This time we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers over here. So most of the videos gonna be posted over here until we hit 10k. All those videos, everything, but this is mainly for audio. But you don't know everything gonna be over here. Right now our song called Party Bus Freestyle. You understand? We have Gully Ras, we have cKush, and we have Drew. People, the dynamic duo is back. Let's see what's happening. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, comment, and this to see your comment in the next video that I post right over there. So like right there, so look. Right there. Yeah, dog. And follow me on Instagram, people, at Tyrekevlogs. Is gonna be right here. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers on the gram. I'm currently sitting at 1,400 away. So go follow me right now. You see me? I say, run tune. Alright. Just give me something there. Anyway, you know, text sound from Trinidad vibes, yeah? Where you go? Where's that nigga, man? Hey, them call that thing, the zest. Zest what? Some kind of zest something. Go on, do.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. So the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Three big band that come from Buckley Youth to sing about the wheels and the bus go round and round people. Make me see what I go and put that something to blood click, cause it's a drama already. Right, June? No, hold on, because since them come with that, they come with the gimmicks, so we come with the gimmicks, so. Buckle belt. Ready now, I'm ready for now. Go on!
Army came and kidnap us, kidnap us, kidnap us. The army came and kidnap us, so we all going down.
What you see that? The bus, they say Guyana defense force on the bus, you know, people. So the wheels on the bus go round and round. Then they can kidnap us. The wheels on the... Go on!
Come in and got everybody running through the town. The army came and kidnap us, kidnap us, kidnap us. The army came and kidnap us, so we all go
right
down.
now.
The bus coming and got everybody running. Now me, I had to jump in the barrel like it come.
So the bus coming and got everybody running. So okay, this is related to some kind of party thing basically. You know when you're partying, you know you're supposed to. Well, I'm not sure about Guyana, but you don't know with all of the things that's happening right now in the world. You know, for your party. So maybe that's why them run. So the bus come in and everybody running. Yeah. Did Gully Ras yourself jumping at the barrel? That's why you know the barrel can't run from the police. A little bow buckle.
Us in the army came and kidnapped us, so we all going down.
Alright.
The bus coming and got everybody running. Yeah. Now me, I had to jump in the barrel like it come from the war for foreign. I got my 20 grand inside my pocket. Everybody.
See? This is like you're trying an illegal party. You understand me? Then they hear the wheels and the bus are forward. The bus coming and everybody are running. Not me, I had to jump in the barrel. Like say coming from foreign. It acts like 20 grand in your pocket. Go on!
Everybody Where we going after? Station. Where we going after? Station. Where we going after?
Station.
Where we going after?
Station.
Oh God, I want your wine pon the bus, girl. Oh Lord, I want your wine pon the bus, girl. Oh God, I want your wine pon the bus, girl.
Hey, I the police them come catch you now. I when the army come and kidnap you from the party, you know, take you up from the party when you're enough here there, you know. You see me, I say, I up on the bus that girl instead of going, hey girl, hold on, look at go.
Station, where we going after?
Station, put the bus
Oh
down.
God, I want you wine pon the bus,
Yeah,
girl.
yeah.
Hold on, I want you wine pon the bus, girl. Oh God, I want you wine pon the bus,
On the
girl.
bus,
Oh
yeah.
God, give me a wine pon the bus, girl.
Girl, come and give me brush teeth in the back seat. Cause the police, they don't catch me. I want
Girl, hold on, I want you wine pon the bus, girl. Oh God, I want you wine pon the bus, girl. Oh God, give me a wine pon the bus, girl.
Girl, come and give me brush teeth in the back seat. Cause the police, they don't catch me. I want a hot girl, turn up the AC and give me gear 3. I want that speed, the way.
Them want give me breeze. Plus somebody just sneeze. Me want get it COVID. Lockdown the way. Them want give me breeze. Plus somebody just sneeze. Me want get it COVID.
No.
Lockdown the whole country.
The dog say you want to get it COVID like on the whole country. But how? Bumbleclip, be here for emotion in the comment section for that song, dog. Be in order to this reaction, I didn't get to post it. I have to address it to one of the people. The Drew and Mafia reaction, I did it. Did the reaction and lost the fire, people. Nobody vex like me. And trust me, I got it over again and stay there. But I don't like, you know, listen to the song before I do the reaction. Them people, I don't like it. But anyways, song is hot. Good.
Want get it COVID. Lockdown the whole country. Where we going after? Station. Where we going after?
Station.
Where we going after?
Station.
Where we going after?
Station.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. So the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The army came and kidnapped us, kidnapped us, kidnapped us. So the army came and kidnapped us, so we all going down. The bus coming and got everybody
Running. Jump in the barrel.
Bus coming and got everybody running.
Not me had to jump in the barrel.
Bus coming and got everybody running.
Not me had to jump in the barrel.
Bus coming and got everybody running.
Hey, not good man for jumping in the barrel. Hola.
Yo, Drew, one man boss. We are far from the worst place. Now we in the first place. One to
Alright
one
then.
mind. Everybody put up your light
Talk,
up.
talk, bad mind. Hey.
God might put out the fake news, talk to my friend. Watch how you talk when you're talking to them. Tell somebody and watch how it's spread.
Alright
Watch
then.
how a 6 gun turn into 12.
Kawa.
God might run them out to Jehovah.
Yeah.
I have no talking with them.
Alright.
God can't change my passion over. This song for you and your friend. Hey,
Kawa.
cause you love to talk,
bad mind.
Love to talk,
Bad mind.
So pray for them,
Bad time.
Pray for them, bad mind. Love to talk, bad mind. Done them out.
This bad and far. Yo, people want to check out everyone them singing. You want to see me and react to the people. You understand me? Yeah, man. You don't know chop in the reaction boss. Love. Really appreciate support when I give me. You see me? I say, I always say, up with the money and we don't in a hole in that. Anyways, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. And please go check out my music also. You understand? We are trying a little thing. You see me? I say, I'm drop something today. You see me? I say, I think I big up someone from Guyana to another song, you know. So you don't need to go check it out and see which part of Guyana the reaction boss big up. Yo, reaction boss sign out. And my songs are just for like gimmicks right now because living in America, people, it's kind of hard to find people for like mix and master Caribbean music. You understand me? Our flow, our style. You see me? So they can't do it. It does sound right to me and me too professional for official release. Them things where don't sound right. You understand? Because I be reacting to music. So me know when something don't sound good. But just have to release it's good enough for entertain. Oh no. So we couldn't go and laugh in the comment section and thing. But we don't release them the official, you mad? Anyways, reaction boss I know. Too much information right so don't it? Big up on yourself. Peace.